In primetime news this evening, disaster in Montego Bay, St. James. 2 people missing after flooding affects parts of the city Tuesday. Denham Town residents take to the streets yet again to protest shooting death of a resident by a JDF member. And residents of Discovery Bay, St. Anne raise alarm over increased road crashes.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now also this evening there's the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, what are your views on Jamaica's performance at the 49th staging of the Carifta Games? You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.